Sending money internationally just got a whole lot simpler with Xoom. And in this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to send your first transfer. First things first, you'll need to have a Xoom account if you don't have one yet. Head over to Xoom.com or download the app and sign up €. It's a quick and easy process. Once logged in, tap on the Send Money button. The first crucial step is selecting the country you're sending money to. Xoom supports transfers to over 160 countries worldwide. Next, enter the amount you wish to send. You'll immediately see the equivalent amount in the recipient's currency, along with Xoom's exchange rate and any transfer fees. This transparency is key. Now choose how your recipient will receive the funds. Xoom offers flexible options like direct bank deposits, cash pickup at a local agent, or even delivery to a mobile wallet, depending on the destination country. You'll then need to provide your recipient's details. This typically includes their full name, address, and a contact phone number. Double-check these details carefully to avoid any delays. For payment, Xoom offers several methods. You can link your bank account, use a debit or credit card, or even link your PayPal account for secure and convenient transactions. Before you finalize, Xoom presents a clear summary of your transaction. Review all the information: €, recipient details, amount, fees, and your chosen payment method €, to ensure everything is accurate. Once you tap Confirm and Send, your money is on its way. You'll receive a confirmation email with a tracking number, allowing you to monitor your transfer's progress every step of the way. And that's it. You've successfully sent money internationally with Xoom. For future transfers, your recipient's details may be saved, making the process even faster.